In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text and objects in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. If you've ever wanted to make your presentations more engaging, more dynamic, and more professional, adding animations is one of the easiest ways to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply animations to both text and objects and preview them like a pro. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 and open the presentation you want to work on. You can either create a new slide or use an existing one that already has text and objects on it. Animations work on text boxes, shapes, images, icons, charts, and more. Let's start by animating text. Click on the text box that contains the text you want to animate. If you only want to animate specific text, highlight just that portion. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on the Animations tab in the ribbon. This is where all animation tools are located. In the Animations tab, you'll see a row of basic animation effects such as appear, fade, fly in, and more. If you don't see the one you want, click on the small drop-down arrow in the animation gallery to expand the full list of effects. This will show you entrance effects, emphasis effects, and exit effects. Choose the animation that fits your presentation style. For example, you can select fade for a smooth entrance or fly in for a more dramatic effect. As soon as you click an animation, it will be applied to your selected text. You'll notice a small number appear next to the object, indicating the animation order. You can further customize the effect using the Effect Options button in the Animations tab. This allows you to change the direction of the animation or adjust how the text appears. Now let's animate an object. Click on the object you want to animate. This could be a shape, picture, or any other visual element on your slide. Once the object is selected, again, click on the Animations tab in the ribbon. Just like before, click on the drop-down arrow in the animation gallery to view all available effects. Choose the animation you want to apply to the object. For example, you might select Zoom to make the object grow into view or Float in to give it motion. Once selected, the animation will automatically be added to that object. If you want to add multiple animations to the same object, use the Add Animation button instead of selecting a new one directly. This ensures you don't replace the existing animation. After applying animations to both your text and objects, it's important to preview how everything looks together. To do this, stay in the Animations tab and click on the Preview button on the left side of the ribbon. PowerPoint will play all the animations on the current slide so you can see how they flow. If needed, you can adjust the timing by using the Start options, such as On Click, After Previous, or With Previous. You can also modify the duration and delay settings to control the speed and sequence of your animations. This helps create a smooth and professional presentation experience. And that's it. You now know how to animate text and objects in PowerPoint 2013. With just a few clicks, you can transform a basic slide into something much more engaging and visually appealing. Take a few minutes to experiment with different effects and timing options to see what works best for your presentation style. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.